So I made the new device for the tractor. We had a problem with the road. I can explain you that later. The roads were, yeah, of course, every year the same holes are appearing in the road. But also in the middle, there are a lot of stones and on the sides. So I thought I did it a couple of times with the hand, but it is really hard. Also when it is dry, but now it is a little bit much more wetter. So I thought if I make something for the tracker, then it will be much easier. So, okay, I will show you. So I made this. It came from the, yeah, I made a fire pit off of it. And this is the rest. So it comes, can connect it to the tractor. And then I made some teeth in there. And it cannot go too far because then it will stop here. And of course it needed some weight. So I put this weight on that it can go really deep into the ground. So we did it. It really worked very well. And now it is much easier to get the stones into a barrier and to fill up the holes. So I did now the whole road from the end till the back. And if we do it a couple of times more, then at some point it is totally straight again. And then you don't need to buy stones because that is quite expensive. So, okay, I'm very glad that I found this construction, and it makes it life so much easier.